Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you, or trying it out I guess, how I tint my lashes. I've never tinted lashes. I have done my eyebrows before. I'll also show you that right now, but I've been kind of diving into looking up online how to tint your lashes and then also how to give yourself a lash lift at home. That is going to be my next video. I just ordered something from Amazon to give myself a lash lift, and that has amazing reviews on Amazon. So today for the lash tint and for the eyebrow tint, we're going to use Just for Men beard dye, mustache and beard dye. I've used this for years now on my eyebrows and it gives such an amazing result. I am obsessed with how it looks and it's so nice for the spring and summer. So I figured since minimal makeup season is coming upon us, I feel like for the spring and summer, it would be nice to have kind of like lifted lashes as well as tinted lashes. So today we're going to focus on the tint, and then once the other video is up, I will link it down below if you're watching this like not right when I put it up. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so what you're gonna need today is some Aquaphor or Vaseline or something like that to apply onto the skin, so that if you go outside the lines just a little bit, especially like around your eye area and stuff, your skin will be protected and you won't have like dye marks or get irritated skin. You also will need some cotton rounds, Q-tips, something like that. I use these reusable cotton rounds from Amazon, and you can like throw them in the wash and they're great. Then I also will link these spoolies that I have from Amazon as well. I got these originally when I was trying to do lash extensions on myself, which actually worked really well. They just didn't last as long because I didn't want to use professional lash glue. That's why I never made a video about it, since you have to do it on yourself. Obviously your eyes are open. Anyway, that's a whole other story. But these little tiny spoolies are amazing for like brushing through your eyebrows. Usually I use like a regular kind of eyebrow brush for my eyebrows, but I figure a spoolie will really comb the product through. So I'm going to try this today, as well as when we go on our lashes. It's going to be nice and precise, and you're not going to get globs of dye everywhere. And then for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the shade M40 Medium Dark Brown. I have used multiple shades in this. Medium brown is a little bit too light and like warm on me, so I figured this would be the perfect shade for me. I've also mixed medium brown with black before, if you want to try something like that, but this will probably be my happy medium or dark brown. Then also got Real Black, and this one is going to be for my eyelashes because I want my eyelashes as dark as possible. They obviously are kind of brown right now, and so I figure you put black mascara on, might as well dye them black. I will start with my eyebrows since that's what I know, and we can get used to it again. Okay, so they obviously give you this little brush. We don't need that. And then they're going to give you two different products here. This is the color developer, and then you have the color base. The color base is the one that actually is the color, so it has M40 on it. And then this one is what is going, the developer is like what's going to actually activate the color. They have a little instruction sheet and then some gloves, but I honestly don't use the gloves when I'm doing this because there's such little product, you don't really need it. And then this little tray is what you use to mix it. As you can see, the two little tubes, you basically squeeze it on there and mix it around. So first, let's prep the skin. So I just take some Aquaphor. You could use a brush for this. You could use your fingers. I also make sure that I have my eyebrows somewhat freshly like plucked and tweezed. So then I just put it on my skin around the eyebrow. So anywhere on the skin that you don't want the product. I'm going to take the two little tubes, and all we do is squeeze like honestly a little dime size amount. You don't honestly need hardly any of this. That's why these last you for so long. So then I'm going to take the butt of the spoolie and just mix it up. So this product you can have developed from anywhere between, I would say, 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to just spoolie this on. Honestly, I think this is going to be way easier than using a little brush. You could also use a Q-tip for this step, or an angled eyebrow brush like I usually do and have done in the past. So I'm just very lightly getting this on the brow hairs. Even though we put the Aquaphor on the skin, you still want to be decently precise with your application. So we are waiting now with my timer. Honestly, I feel like it's not getting as dark as it normally does. Obviously, I haven't tried this color, so I might have to do the full 5 minutes. We shall see. All right, this is what it's looking like after 3 minutes. I feel like I could take it off. Yeah, actually it is getting darker. So I'm gonna take it off. For this, you can use a wet cotton round or cotton round. I'm gonna start with it not wet. Actually, no, I'm gonna go get it wet. So now this is wet. All you do is literally rub it off. And we are dyed. Okay, so these are definitely darker. They're not as extreme as I normally go, I feel like, but that's good. So I like this color a lot on me. It's just so nice because you have eyebrows without having to do much. So yeah, medium dark brown is literally perfect for me. Okay, so that was a success. Now to do the lashes. I'm a little nervous. So all you do with this is just kind of wipe it out, and then I'll throw away the spoolie. All right, we're gonna start with the first step, which is Aquaphor. I'm gonna do this all the way underneath my eye. As well as on top of the lid. Just obviously don't get it on the lashes. Now we're going in with Real Black. We're gonna do literally the exact same thing. Take your color base, put in here, your developer. All right, so I have both of these on the little thing. Again, mix up with the back of the wand. So make sure you have a mirror you can get nice and close to. And then I'm literally just going to paint it on the lashes very carefully. We do not want to get this in our eye. All right, and then I'm also going to do my lower lashes. All right, so now I'm just going to close my eye and hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to sit here because I don't want this to accidentally get my eye or anything. So 5 minutes, we're just going to wait. All right, 5 minutes is a long time to wait, so here we go. This is wet. I waited maybe like 4.5 from when I actually started the timer. Did it work? Maybe a little bit. Okay, they're definitely darker. All right, here's the side by side. So they're definitely darker. Are they significantly darker? I don't know. So we're gonna curl these ones. They're not curling very well because I think they're still wet, but I think there's somewhat of a difference. I feel like once I do the lash lift, it might be better. Let's try the other eye. Okay, you guys, here are my brow and lash results. I love the brows and I like the lashes. I just think once I do a lash lift, you'll actually be able to see that they're darker. Right now, I don't know if it's really different enough, I guess. Okay, I will say I have a lash, I don't know if you guys can tell, on this side that is like super light. It's like blonde lash, and that one looks like it was dyed. So it definitely worked. Is it worth it? I don't know. But it was a good experiment. So we'll see how the lash lift goes, and that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. If you do try this at home, make sure to be very, very careful. Use your Aquaphor and make sure that you are not getting this stuff in your eyes. All right, so that's about it, and I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.